The FPV drone market just got shaken to its core. DJI is racing against a December 23rd deadline that could ban their products from US soil. And they're doing it by launching something nobody saw coming. A drone that literally rewrites the rules of 360-degree aerial cinematography. The Avata 360 isn't just another iterative upgrade. It's DJI's declaration of war against Insta360's first mover advantage, and the timing couldn't be more critical. Here's what makes this launch absolutely fascinating. When Insta360 unveiled their Antigravity A1 back in August as the world's first integrated 360-degree consumer drone, they thought they had the market locked down until their January 2026 release date. DJI watched, analyzed, and completely flipped the script. The Avata 360 secured FCC certification on November 19th, and industry insiders are now certain it'll hit shelves before that looming December 23rd regulatory deadline. Insta360 panicked and moved their launch up to December 4th. But DJI's response proves they're not interested in playing second fiddle to anyone. What separates the Avata 360 from everything else on the market is its revolutionary rotating camera mechanism. This isn't just a 360-degree drone, it's a transformer. Those dual 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors capture stunning 8K video at 50 frames per second in full 36-degree mode, delivering 38-megapixel panoramic stills that'll make your Instagram followers question reality. But here's the genius move. Touch a button, and that entire camera assembly rotates to face forward, instantly converting your 360 rig into a traditional high-performance FPV drone, shooting 4K at 120 frames per second. The Antigravity A1 can't do this. It's locked into 360 mode permanently, which means you're always processing and stitching that full spherical footage, even when you just want a simple forward-facing shot. DJI's engineers went absolutely wild with the stabilization system. They've wrapped the entire drone in a spherical carbon fiber and TPU cage that's completely removable in under 30 seconds. This design, similar to what you'd see on racing drones like the Beta FPV Pavo 360, means the Avata 360 can literally tumble, barrel roll, and fly completely inverted without any risk to the propellers. The whole drone rotates inside that protective sphere, while their Omni-stabilization algorithm, powered by Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Infinity technology, keeps your footage perfectly level. It's mechanical free rotation compensation, and it's borderline magical when you see it in action. The specs continue to impress. That 38.67 watt-hour battery represents a 26% capacity increase over the Avata 2, pushing flight times up to around 25 minutes. Compare that to the Antigravity A1's estimated 15-minute ceiling, and you're looking at a massive advantage for professional creators who need longer takes. DJI's also packed in 4 front-facing sensors combining visual cameras and LiDAR technology, plus 2 additional side sensors for true omnidirectional obstacle avoidance during high-speed runs. OCU Sync 4.0 transmission gives you a ridiculous 20-kilometer range when paired with the new Goggles N3 and RC Motion 3 controller. The pricing strategy is aggressive but smart. At $999 for the Fly More combo, DJI undercuts what many analysts expect the fully kitted Antigravity A1 to cost, which could range anywhere from $1,300 to $1,700 depending on configuration. But here's what really matters. The Avata 360 weighs in at approximately 377 grams, which puts it above most recreational licensing thresholds. The Antigravity A1 deliberately stayed at 249 grams to duck those regulations in most countries, giving Insta360 a legitimate advantage for casual users who don't want to deal with registration paperwork. This clash isn't just about specs and features, it's about market positioning under unprecedented pressure. If that December 23rd security review isn't completed, DJI automatically lands on the FCC's covered list, effectively ending new imports into the United States. The Avata 360 might be DJI's last major consumer launch on American soil for the foreseeable future, and they're making it count.